It's unboxing time again. Keep on watching, guys. Hi guys, it's me again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel. And please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. And today's video is ta-dang! Unboxing time again. My boss bought this thing for herself and she allowed me to do the unboxing. So, let's do the unboxing, guys. I'm so excited. Somebody's there. What are you doing? Mama's doing the unboxing. Huh? Hi. You want to do the unboxing? Okay. One of my job is to help her choose those things that she wanted to buy, if it's fit to her or not, if it's nice or not. So I am helping her to decide if it's okay or not to her. So let's start to open the things that we bought last time. So let's start, guys. So I will put this down, and we actually bought 5 things, 5 or 6, just in one shop. So this is the brand of the things that we bought, and the first thing that we bought is, it's a handbag. It's a very nice one. It's blue color and it's a bag. So it's nice. It has its own dash bag. And they put this so that it will form the inside. And the bag looks like this. And the bag is like this. So it's nice. And inside have the zipper here inside. You can keep things here inside, and it has a lock here to side, keep a magnet lock. So that is it. So this is the bag. It's very nice. So we'll put it back. So this bag, very nice. I like the color. She knows that I like the color of it because it's blue, and I am a blue girl. So it's nice. And this is it. First one is bag. We will put it here. And the second item is this. Made in Italy. And this is the wallet. Yes, it's matched with the bag that she bought. So she will put this in her bag. So this is the wallet. It's nice. Have for the cards here, coin first, and for the bills. So nice, cute. So that is the second one. It's the wallet, and then still have one. Oh yeah, this bag is nice. Have the shoes of this, but we will open this so that we can really see the, yes. So this is it. Yes. So just like that. And just put it inside. Just like that. Put it inside. And just adjust if how long she likes it. Like the hole. And then just put this inside. First hole. Okay, let's pull it and then just pull it also here, the other one. Okay, so it looks like this, and we will see the inside. So we have a lot of papers so that it will not be folded. So we'll see. So this is the inside of it. It has his card, its card. It has its card. And this is it. Have a little place to put your card here. And it's a round bag. It's nice. It actually has a shoes there that really match in this bag. The pattern is like this also, but she don't have the size of the shoes, so that's why she cannot have the shoes. So I will put it inside, and better put it back, the paper, so put it back inside. Just few papers, and then throw this, and then I just put all this. So I better throw all these things and just put the bag here. Just put the bag inside. So why? The girl is, and then I'll just put it in the dash bag. Okay, so how many bags you bought? 2. And then have 2 boxes here. Oh, 1 box. 2 boxes. And here's the receipt. All the receipt. So we bought how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items only. So yes, 5 items only, and she just paid around 15,000 K. So 5 items for 15,000, not bad, because some of it are on special, so that is why she bought it. Okay, and I think it's all special. So this shoes, we bought 2 shoes. It's all for her, not for me. I cannot afford this. Okay, so this shoes, I'll put it here. Yes, she liked it so much. Her feet is actually so small, and that is why it's so hard for her to look for shoes. So this is it, the black one, and it's nice. And when she tried it, she said it's very comfortable. So that is it. The shoes, they also have another lace, and then they have also a bag for it. So maybe later on we will do a review of all these shoes that she bought, but for now it's an unboxing only. And then this second shoes, I like these shoes. It's nice. It's a nice one. The color is nice. It's actually white and pink. Another shoelace. And ta-dang! It's so beautiful. It looks so big, but it's fit for her. This is the style of it. Excuse me. So as you can see, it looks so big. I think it fits on me. It looks fit on me, but this is really fit on her. And it's nice. The color is nice. It's so clean. And she loved it so much. So that is why even if it looks big, but it really fits on her shoes. I don't know why. Maybe the size inside. That is why it fits on her feet. And it's very nice. It has if they have a big one of this, then someday I will buy. Someday, somehow. There's nothing wrong in dreaming. There's nothing wrong if we can afford, right? So this is it. It's very nice and it is expensive. If you can afford, why not? As long as you can afford, then why not, right? So we will put it back and we'll keep it first. And that's all for our unboxing. We have two boxes of shoes and 2 bags and 1 wallet. Actually, when we went to City of Dream to buy these things, during that night when we went there, they actually have special price, so that is why she bought a lot. And because she had a VIP card of the DFS, so that is why she can have more discount on these products. So that's all for our unboxing, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe my channel, and please hit the notification bell so that every time when I have new upload, you will be notified. And as I always say, guys, live a life to the fullest and be happy always, and God bless everyone. See you next time on my next video. Bye.